Hi everyone, this is Ashley from CTandRina Digitals, and I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to use the boho themed mock-ups from my Etsy shop. I have opened the three 12 by 12 frames on the background. I'm going to show you how to replace the pictures and also change the color of the frames if you want to do so. I have this all color coded on here, so it's a little bit easier to navigate through. The gray is just for the frames themselves. The red is the photo masks, and then the blue is where you are going to insert your photos. So for the first photo, if you just highlight your photo number 1, that's going to be the one right here. Go to File, Place Embedded, and navigate to the folder that you want to use. I already have this selected here. Double click the picture you want to use and go ahead and size it accordingly. Go ahead and click the second one. Same thing, File, Place Embedded. I'm going to use this one. Third one, highlighted, same thing, File, Place Embedded. And I want to use this one. Okay. And obviously just did that quickly, but if it looks a little distorted at all, you can always just fix it. If you want to replace any of these, all you have to do is just right click the layer and then select Replace Contents, and you can just double click the other photo you want. You might have to tweak it a little bit, it might just still be fine. And then in order to change the colors of the frames if you want, I like this color for this background, but you would just select one of your frames and go up to Adjustments. If you don't see Adjustments, you can always go to Window and down to Adjustments and make sure it's checked. And then go ahead and click on your Hue Saturation layer, and then click this little box down here with the arrow pointing down onto it. That way it only applies to your frame layer and not to the entire photo. And then you can just play with the slider to make it to like match the plants, or if you wanted a completely different color. I'm going to do that one for now just to see what it looks like. And then if you want to apply the same color frame to all of them, you can actually just make sure it's highlighted, go up to Edit and Copy. Click on your other frame layer, paste, and then make sure you go back in and just click this box to make sure it only applies to the frame. And then you would just do that to all of them. If this box goes away, all you have to do is just click this little thing right here, double click that. And then that would apply to all of them. You can change them and make them different colors if you want. I personally want them the other color, so I'm going to reselect all of these and actually delete them. So it goes back to that color. And then if you wanted, these frames that I'm doing are not to scale, I just do it kind of by eye. But if you need to adjust the sizes of the frames at all in the photos, you can just go up to select and go to all layers and deselect the bottom layer, and then go up to your move tool, select that, and then select an edge, and you can just make these a little bigger, you can make them smaller, and you can move them all together to get them centered, to make it if the scale seems a little bit off to you. And that's it.